Happy finally Friday, everyone. Another hot day across the South Plains, but a few folks getting some cooler temperatures. This is the place you are going to want to be when we get into this afternoon and for the start of summer tomorrow. Here's what I want to point out. As we move into Friday night and Saturday, we have a front pushing through, and that front is going to make things very comfortable outside. Severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued for Kent County until 5:15 this evening. That's been issued because we are seeing quite the hail core with this storm. If you remember yesterday, we saw storms up north and storms down south that formed together into a line of thunderstorms, and as you can see, already seeing the same setup for today. There was baseball-sized hail reported falling in the Cottle County regions just about an hour and a half ago, and it's going to continue with this storm as well. A lot of folks getting a lot of much-needed rain. Again, 84/100ths of an inch in Lubbock, but check out Dimmitt, 2.99 inches of rain, 2.14 in Freona. Our sign showing 109. It was showing 110 degrees earlier today. So very hot out there. That's right. It is a bit of a broken record. The good news is the broken record is not singing triple digits. We are enjoying the pool, and I'm live at the Airways pool. It opens today at 1 p.m., so make sure to come out. The water is warm, and the temperatures are going to be very pleasant. Lots of flooding. It's good and it's bad. We need the rain, but in this intensity, it does cause some problems.
Well, guys, it is very chilly out here. You are going to want to grab those jackets. It's about a 10 to 15 degree drop in temperatures compared to what we were seeing yesterday at this time. So be prepared for the cool temperatures. Bundle up. But by this afternoon, you saw the clouds clearing out. We have sunshine on the way.
Meteorologist Heidi Waggoner with KLBK's first warning weather.
Happy Thursday, everyone. The ridge of high pressure continues to take hold of our weather, which means sunny and hot conditions. It also means as you head home tonight, your commute is looking nice and clear. Traffic is moving smoothly, as you can see from our TxDOT cameras. And as we take a look at your weather headlines, more sunshine, warming trend does continue, and then the rain does return by this upcoming weekend. Now we take a look and you can see no rain in sight. That high pressure continues to sit over the Oklahoma and northern Texas region, which is keeping all the rain at bay. As we move into tomorrow, notice winds were breezy again today. It'll slowly start to calm down as that high continues to move a little bit farther to the east. 14-mile-per-hour winds in Lubbock, 10 in Lamesa, 19 in Freona, 14 in Tatum, only 6 for the folks in Post. And temperature-wise, was a little bit hotter today. Paducah sitting at 100 degrees, 97 in Spur, 98 at Lake Allen Henry, 94 degrees in Lubbock, 91 in Dimmitt, and sitting at 93 in Dora and 93 in Hobbs. Now, it was a hot day. It's going to continue to heat up. Tomorrow we get to 96, 97 for your Saturday, and then a little mini cool down for your Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday as we see that next chance for rain push in. Now, keep in mind, I mentioned it's going to be in the upper 90s for us here in Lubbock, but if you're farther to the east than Lubbock, you will be seeing those triple digits a little bit sooner. So many folks need to keep in mind it's going to be exceptionally hot. Make sure you're taking care of your pets. Make sure you're staying hydrated and wearing sunscreen. 93 degrees is the average, so reaching average by this upcoming Sunday. Here's a look at that extended forecast. Nothing going on rest of today, tomorrow, and much of your Saturday. We may even see the rain hold off until Sunday, but we are putting an isolated chance in because there is that potential that it'll move in overnight Saturday night. Now, why does that matter? Because we got a lot of events going on, and the Cattle Barons Ball does go until 1 a.m. So if it does start to rain, it could impact the very end of the event, but up until midnight, looks like it should be staying dry, nice and comfortable outside. And right now, model's still keeping most of the rain up to the north. So hopefully it'll miss us for your Saturday night events. It does look like we will get a chance for rain, though a much better chance as we move into your Sunday and Monday. Monday especially, you can see rain starting to pick up across the region, moving into the northern, central, and southern portions of the South Plains. After that, clears out and more dry conditions on the way, but that little dose of rain will bring a little dose of cooler temperatures as well, which is always welcome during the heat of summer. 71 degrees is your temperature for tonight. Mostly clear. Winds from the south, 10 to 15 miles per hour. And speaking of the Cattle Barons Ball, it is going to be a hot start to the event. 3 p.m. as everybody's setting up, 97 degrees. By the start of the event at 7, 95 degrees. And by 11, getting to 80. It'll drop below that 80-degree mark for the end of the event with an isolated rain chance towards that 1 o'clock hour. As we move into the rest of the week, weekend, and next week, Hey, it's summer. We're sitting in the 90s, but it could be worse. No triple digits for the folks in Lubbock County. Again, farther east, though, could get a little bit hotter and just a slight rain chance for your Sunday and Monday.
It could be worse. I mean, like you said, we could be in like Arizona where it's in the plus 100s all the time.
I was going to say, it could be like June when we saw 112.
Yeah, no. We don't need
We'll
that.
take it.
Yeah. Thanks, Heidi. Coming up.
The rain we've been seeing on and off over the past few hours, really some heavy rain across the region. You can see for the folks to the south of Lubbock seeing very heavy rain at this point in time. That means flooding is going to be a major concern. Couple of flood advisories that have been issued for the southern South Plains. Everyone else seeing a little bit lighter rain near the Plainview regions, near Floydada. As you head a little bit further to the northwest, we are looking at some showers and thunderstorms as well. These storms are moving very slowly. That is why we are seeing a little bit of a flooding issue for this afternoon and this evening. That also means your visibilities are going to be reduced, so be cautious on those roadways. Storms slowly moving to the east, northeast, so they will be impacting Lubbock a little bit later this evening. Most of the hail has died down, but we do have a small hail core over the Gale region, so folks in Gale, pea to nickel size hail is possible. Just be cautious out there. And finally, taking a look at your flood advisories. One goes till 7:45 for the folks who are located in Borden County, the other for the folks in Gaines County. That goes until 6:45. It's been issued because, again, seeing a lot of rain in one place at one time. But for the most part, Storm Prediction Center has put us in the non-severe category for today and tomorrow. Saw one severe thunderstorm warning earlier today, but really didn't bring too much turmoil to the region, which is always good news. Just some heavy rain and some smaller hail. Gusty winds will still be an issue this evening as well. This is also moderating our temperatures. 71 in Lubbock, 70 in Gale, 73 in Amherst, and 71 degrees in Freona. And here's a look at that future track again. We are expecting the rain to continue on and off. I said it's going to push through Lubbock. We are expecting those storms to continue to push across the South Plains tonight and into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, the southern South Plains will see a little more activity than the rest of us. We continue to see rain chances for your Saturday and even into portions of your Sunday. So keep those umbrellas handy. The good news is we do get a break as we head into this upcoming work week, but it's going to be a short-lived break. 79 degrees is your temperature for tomorrow afternoon. 40% chance of thunderstorms. 80 degrees for your Sunday. 30% chance of thunderstorms. We already had a few delays, unfortunately, for the Texas Tech baseball game because of the rain and storms, mostly because of lightning. So if you are going to be out and about at the Texas Tech game that's going on at 6 o'clock tonight, be prepared for a few more delays and be prepared for that again this weekend.